In our last video, we explored the basics of machine learning, showing how a machine learning model learns by tuning the coefficients of a function until we have a good fit on the underlying data and their labels. But this raises an important question. How do we know if a given fit is good or bad? In this video, we'll quickly explore this idea, understanding what a good fit is and why it's essential for effective machine learning. A good fit is achieved when our model's predictions closely match the actual data. This closeness is quantified using a loss function, a mathematical formula that calculates the difference, or loss, between the actual values and the predicted values. The goal of learning in machine learning is to minimize this loss, thereby achieving the best fit. Remember, a good fit means essentially that our model makes reliable predictions about new and unseen data, which is crucial for its real-world usefulness. To further understand how we use the concept of a loss function in practice to find the best fit for our model, let's consider a simple example. Imagine we have a dataset of people's heights based on their weight. Here's our dataset, shown as a scatter plot. The horizontal axis represents people's weights, and the vertical axis represents their heights. Now, let's introduce our machine learning model. As we have seen in the last video, the model utilizes a function to make predictions about new data. This function represents the model's current guess of how weight relates to height. It's clear that this initial guess isn't very accurate. We calculate the loss by measuring how far off each prediction is from the actual height. This is often done by calculating the difference between each actual and predicted value, squaring these differences to eliminate negative values, and then averaging them. This method is known as mean squared error. This calculation yields a single number representing our model's current loss. The smaller this number, the closer our model's predictions are to the actual weights, indicating a better fit. So, in machine learning, finding the best fit is about minimizing this loss value. A lower loss means our model's predictions are more accurate, making it better at estimating a person's height based on their weight. In our next video, we'll explore one method models use, known as gradient descent, to minimize this loss, iteratively adjusting their weights for an ever closer fit. Stay tuned.